Everyone, this is the review of Engine Sentai Goranger Engine Gata Series number 6 Corrugator. Since I bought this as a pre-owned item, I do not have the box, so let's start with the review. We will start with the engine soul. So this set comes with Corrugator soul. So on the top, we got engine soul. Here is number 6. Or the Corrugator logo. ES system, number 6 down here. And at the bottom, we got the 3 buttons. Here's activation noise we all love. In the back, we got the battery compartment and we got the reset button. Or I like to call it the kill switch. So that's all for the engine soul. So here's Corrugator itself. He has 15 wheel total. As you can see there, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, and the small one down here, 15. And here is Gunboro helmet. So you can pull these back. You can fold it back, but in the show it's been all the way out. So I just leave it show out briefly. Since he is a Corrugator, he called Corrugator because he can carry Gunford and Burka. So I'll show you that in a moment. What also cool about Corrugator, when you pull his front half out, he does have articulation like that, so he doesn't have to move as a brick. He can turn like so. Yeah, and his mouth can open and lock in that position. And here's the engine soul compartment. And these are the activation buttons. Now I'll show you how to carry Gunford and Burka. Alright, so I have Burka and Gunford. So Burka here, he has these like slot. So you want to just match it over here. So you want to fit him on. He doesn't peg anywhere, he just fit on or sit on. And Gunford, he has this little slot right here also. You want to put him in the back like that, and Corrugator and pull them around. So that's it. Now I'll show you the function of Corrugator sound. Alright, now I'll go over the sound effect for Corrugator. So let's take Burka and Gunford off of Corrugator and put them on the side. Let's put Corrugator back together, so just push him in, push his head in place. I'm going to flip this panel back so you guys can see Corrugator face clear. So open Corrugator mouth. Engine soul set. So character sound, there are 4 character sound on this side and general sound on this side. So let's start. His name. Again, every engine on Machine World repeat their own syllable. So Corrugator repeat his last syllable, so Gator Gator. I believe that one says sorry that I bite, or sorry that I have bitten you. Yeah, I have no idea what that means. And that all for that side. And it go back to his name. So on this side, again his syllable. And I believe that one said go on. Corrugator also have that walkie-talkie like, similar to Gunford and Burka. So let's activate it for their hidden sound within that walkie-talkie. So hold one button and click the other one. Yeah, I have no idea what that means, but that's the new sound. So that's it for the Carrigator sound. To form Gunborough, we need Engine Burka and Engine Gunford. So let's get these guys prepped. So you want to turn the fin and turn him around, split the wheel. If you guys haven't watched D's video, you guys want to go check it out after this one or before, whichever you guys prefer. Detach this, put it on. Oop, I pressed the button, cock it forward. So for Carrigator, you want to split Carrigator apart and turn him around and attach him back together. Sorry about that. I pushed the button. So what you want to do for his feet is the front, the top here will be his toe and the bottom will be his heel. So you want to lift the toe up and lift these down will become heel. Stand him up, lift the leg, and I'll bring you up. And here's the helmet for Gunborough. You want to take it off, take it out. So in order to put it back, so you see Engine G6 face, you want to match it. And there's a peg inside, just clip it on like that. So we need this right now. Put it on the side. So you want to bring Carrigator face down and clip it. There's clip and peg. Peg and clip command. Clip it down. Fold these out. Twist it 180. Right. For Gunford, you want to put this on the right side, depending on your point of view. And Burka on the left. Last but not least, the helmet. And there's Gunborough. So for articulation, arm can go 360 all the way. The arm can go up very high. And with that going up, you can pull it back or forward. You can do that if you want. We also got the same elbow articulation, but it might bump into Carrigator, so you want to pull the shoulder piece, the shoulder articulation back a little bit, and then you want to turn it like that. Same thing for Burka. Make sure you be careful so you don't open the compartment. That is Gunborough in the bear pose. So next up I will show you how to do Engine G6 combination. Here is Gunborough. Alright, that is all for this review. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to comment and subscribe for more video. Remember to hit that bell icon in order for you to be notified for future video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more Transformer, Nerf, Voltron, and Power Ranger content. Power Rider 98 signing out.